How to open or make Bank of America account online 2023. So the first thing you want to do is open any browser and type Bank of America. So click on this first website here. So if you already have an account, you can just click on login. But when you're signing up, you can choose the account that you're trying to create. So just click on the one that you like. And then you'll need to enter your zip code. So just go ahead and do that. And once you enter the zip code, go ahead and click on Open Account and choose which one is the best for you. And then click on Open Now. So you can select which one that you like if you want to add a savings account to your Bank of America or not. So if you want to, you can just tap on it. If not, you can say no and then click on Go to Application. So there are 4 steps that you need to complete to open your Bank of America account. And this is the personal information page. And you have to agree to the terms of conditions. And then you have to fill in your account information. And then you'll be able to open Bank of America account. And you need to do this step by step. So only by filling this first step will you be able to go to the next page. So this is how to open Bank of America account online 2023.